Canada, a country of hope and new beginnings. A land that opened its doors to thousands of Afghan women and families during one of the most difficult moments in history. But rebuilding a life in a new country is never easy. Language barriers, unfamiliar laws, cultural differences, and social isolation continue to challenge many Afghan women, mothers, and elders in Canada. We heard their stories, we felt their struggles, and we took action. Introducing AWFSO, the Afghan Women and Family Services Organization. Our mission is clear: to support, empower, and uplift Afghan immigrant women and their families. Through English language education, vocational training and job skills, employment support and job matching, youth and elderly care programs, legal rights and awareness workshops, and cultural and community engagement programs, we strive to make a real difference in their lives. Together, we create opportunities for growth, confidence, and independence, building a proud, strong, and united Afghan-Canadian community. Follow us on YouTube and social media as we share stories, programs, and new opportunities for a brighter future.